Planning a trip can be both exciting and a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to packing. To make things easier, I've rounded up 20 must-have travel essentials from Amazon that will help you stay organized, comfortable, and prepared on your journey. These are items that are practical, reliable, and perfect for any traveler. I've included the best picks for staying organized during your trip. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so you can check them out easily. Marchway Folding Camping Chair. Stable and sturdy with a unique triangular frame, this chair offers reliable support from all angles, holding up to 330 pounds. At just 2.7 pounds, it's lightweight and folds compactly into its carry bag for ultimate portability, ideal for camping, hiking, and fishing trips. The setup process is effortless, taking under a minute with its elastic cords and Velcro straps. Enjoy superior comfort with a ripstop polyester seat and ergonomic tilt angle for extended use. Simple modern water bottle. Double wall insulation keeps drinks at ideal temperatures for hours, while a BPA-free, dishwasher-safe straw lid ensures convenience and safety. Its leak-proof seal prevents spills, making it ideal for daily activities. Designed to fit most cup holders, it's perfect for on-the-go hydration. Built for durability and reliability, this product also comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Gizmos Travel Cushions. Crafted with high-resilience gel material, this cushion relieves hip pressure and ensures comfort during long hours of sitting. The breathable rhombic structure promotes air circulation, keeping you cool. Its portable design, complete with a handle and washable, detachable cover, makes it perfect for travel, office chairs, stadiums, or vehicles. The cushion maintains its shape for consistent support and lasting durability. TP-Link Travel Router. Delivering dual-band Wi-Fi 6 speeds of up to 1201 megabit per second, this router ensures smooth streaming, gaming, and browsing. Its compact design fits easily in any travel bag, offering portability and durability. Multiple operating modes adapt to various environments, from hotels to RVs. A USB port allows for easy file sharing, while USB tethering extends connectivity. Power it flexibly with a power bank for network access anywhere. Vegger Portable Charger. Equipped with built-in cables and an AC wall plug, this compact 10,000 mAh charger offers fast charging for up to 4 devices simultaneously. Its slim, lightweight design fits easily in your pocket or bag, ideal for travel. Compatible with most devices, including smartphones and tablets, it eliminates the need for extra adapters or cables. Dependable and convenient, it's a must-have for keeping your gadgets powered on the go. Movigal Cotton Sleep Mask. With a patented bending nose wire, this sleep mask ensures total light blocking for uninterrupted rest. Its ergonomic design, handmade construction, and soft cotton layers provide exceptional comfort without pressure. The triangle wing design prevents movement, and durable seams guarantee long-lasting use. Lightweight and portable, this mask is ideal for travel or home use, helping you wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Gizmos Handheld Mini Fan. Compact yet multifunctional, this handheld fan offers up to 19 hours of cooling time, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Its built-in flashlight adds convenience, while a backup power bank feature ensures your devices stay charged. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it fits easily into bags for portability. Rechargeable via USB, it's a versatile summer essential for staying cool and connected. Butyral Steamer for Clothes. With 1,000 watts of power, this steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, quickly removing wrinkles from clothes. Its compact, foldable design and included storage bag make it a perfect travel companion for countries with 120-volt outlets. An electronic pump ensures even steam distribution without leaks, enabling use at any angle. Durable and efficient, it's an essential tool for keeping clothes crisp on the go. Gritton Rechargeable Booklight. Adjustable brightness and 3 color modes make this light perfect for any reading environment. Its flicker-free, soft illumination protects your eyes during long reading sessions. A built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 80 hours of use at low brightness, while a flexible neck and sturdy clip ensure easy positioning on books, shelves, or e-readers. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for night readers. FunTouch Rechargeable Travel Makeup Mirror. This slim, foldable mirror features a rechargeable 1000 mAh battery, eliminating the need for frequent charging. Its compact design is perfect for travel, while 72 adjustable LEDs offer warm, cool, and white light options for precise makeup application. A touch-sensitive screen allows easy control of brightness, ensuring perfect lighting. Durable and stylish, it's a must-have for beauty enthusiasts on the move. Wavy Talk Portable Hair Dryer. Lightweight and compact at just 1 pound, this dryer features a collapsible design for ultimate portability, fitting seamlessly into your travel essentials. With 1600 watts power and wind speeds of up to 29 miles per hour, it ensures 2x faster drying and efficient styling. Adjustable settings, including 3 heat levels, 2 airflow options, and a cool shot button, make it ideal for any hair type. Its compact design delivers both convenience and performance for your styling needs. Vom Travel Duffel Bag. Foldable and lightweight, this duffel offers an impressive 85-liter capacity while weighing just 1.06 pounds. Its compact folded size enhances portability, making it perfect for travel. Crafted from waterproof, tear-resistant 600D polyester with durable zippers, it ensures longevity. Practical features include 5 zip pockets, a trolley sleeve, and a removable shoulder strap. Ideal for travel, gym, or camping, it's versatile enough to double as a laundry or hospital bag at home. Elviro's Toiletry Bag. Versatile and portable, this bag features a 3-in-1 detachable design with customizable compartments for flexible use. Transparent PVC leak-proof sections and elastic bands securely hold toiletries upright, preventing spills. Made of water-resistant PU leather and durable nylon, it offers robust protection in damp environments. A bonus waterproof drawstring bag enhances travel organization, serving as a shoe bag or laundry holder. Its thoughtful design is perfect for streamlined travel or gym needs. Cloud Bliss Travel Pillow. Premium memory foam supports your neck and head with an ergonomic design that alleviates pressure. Breathable fabric enhances comfort, while an adjustable cord customizes the fit for various neck sizes. Hidden zippers prevent skin irritation, and thoughtful extras like an eye mask, earplugs, and a side pocket add convenience. Compact and portable with a snap-button travel bag, this pillow ensures restful journeys without occupying extra space in your luggage. OXO Utensils with Case. Durable stainless steel utensils include a fork, knife, and spoon that neatly nest in a compact case for portability. Designed to replace single-use plastics, they're an eco-friendly choice for meals on the go. Perfect for work, school, or outdoor adventures, the versatile set ensures you're always prepared for dining without compromising on quality or sustainability. Yitanet Carry-On Garment Bag. Spacious yet compact, this bag fits 2 to 3 days essentials like clothes, shoes, and toiletries. When laid flat, it doubles as a wrinkle-free hanging garment bag, perfect for dresses and suits. Made of waterproof PU leather with durable zippers, it combines style with functionality. Additional features include a separate shoe pouch and multiple zippered pockets for organization. Scratch-resistant and foldable, it's a reliable companion for travel or overnight trips. Super Fresh Shower Wipes. Dual-sided body wipes ensure freshness anytime, anywhere. The smooth side cleanses gently, while the textured side exfoliates deeply, removing sweat, oil, and odor. Infused with natural ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and cucumber, they're hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals. Lightweight and portable, they're ideal for camping, gym sessions, or quick freshening up, making them a skin-safe solution for the whole family. 4Monster Lightweight Backpack. Ultra lightweight at just 4 ounce, this backpack folds into a wallet-sized pouch for effortless portability. Made from water-resistant, tear-proof nylon, it's built for durability and outdoor use. With a main compartment, front pocket, and mesh side pockets, it provides ample storage for day trips, hiking, or shopping. Compact yet spacious, it's an ideal travel companion for minimalist adventurers seeking functionality and convenience. Landneo Travel Pill Organizer Box. Compact and practical, this organizer features 14 compartments, including 6 large and 8 small, to store various pills, vitamins, and supplements. Each lid locks securely, ensuring safety and hygiene. Made from food-grade BPA-free plastic, it's lightweight and portable. Included blank labels allow for easy customization of dosage and usage. Perfect for daily or weekly medication management, it keeps your essentials neatly organized and accessible. Contigo Travel Mug. Designed with auto-seal technology, this mug prevents leaks and spills, offering peace of mind during travel. Its Thermalock insulation keeps drinks hot for up to 5 hours or cold for 12. A one-handed operation button ensures easy use while the lid opens completely for thorough cleaning. Compact enough to fit most car cup holders, it's the ideal companion for busy lifestyles, keeping beverages fresh on the go. Ready to elevate your next adventure? These 20 must-have Amazon travel essentials are your ultimate companions for a hassle-free and enjoyable journey. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a globe-trotting expedition, these picks have you covered with style, convenience, and practicality. To snag the best deals, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If this video made packing a breeze, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned for more expert tips, reviews, and travel inspiration. Safe travels.